Bill Panoff here with Porthole Cruise and Travel. We're here with James Rodriguez, the president of Atlas Ocean Voyages. James, how are you?
I'm doing very well today.
Welcome aboard, so to speak. Nice to see you again, and welcome to Atlas Ocean Voyages.
Thank you. Yeah, it's exciting.
It's a great product. You know, I sailed most recently in Antarctica, and I must say the experience was phenomenal. It's more like a yacht-like experience, really.
It is, and your video was actually fantastic and really gave a good sense of what a guest would expect in an expedition cruise line.
So tell me about Atlas Ocean Voyages. How is it different from other luxury brands?
Sure. Well, you know, right now we are actually going through kind of a re-messaging of the brand and really creating a yacht-style expedition, yacht-style cruising experience on board the ships. We want to make sure that guests know the value proposition with these ships. They're really jewel ships. I mean, They are only 200 guests on board the ships, only 186 whenever you go down to Antarctica, as you know.
Yep,
so
fantastic.
It really gives you an opportunity to immerse yourself with the crew, the staff. You get to know the captain, the chef. It's a little bit different than your regular cruise experience, just by the sheer size of these ships.
Tell us about, there's a new ship coming too, not far distance.
The Traveler, it's absolutely beautiful. I was just in Porto. I was able to actually tour the ship as it's being built. And these, the attention to detail is just fantastic on board these ships. Now, you were on board the Navigator, I believe.
Was.
Yes. So this is a little bit different. You know, the designers and the Portuguese designers, they came up with different personalities for the ship. So your ship was more of a steamliner 1940s, very sophisticated, more of the earth tone colors.
Right.
This Traveler is going to be a little bit different personality. We call it the Dolce Vita, which is more Italian, light blues, colors of the sea. It's really gorgeous ship.
And when is she going to launch?
Well, we do our last sea trials in September, and then we'll take possession of her towards the end of September. And then both of our ships are going to head down to Ushuaia to start their expedition season in November.
When I sailed, one thing that stood out was, you know, it's a new cruise line for me. The food. The food was phenomenal. I mean, as good as any luxury cruise line out there, really.
Yeah. You know what I always say, that people will always remember their food experience on board the ships. They may not be able to tell you what the linen count was or what the furniture design was, but they will be able to tell you if they ate well or not. So really excited about the quality of ingredients that we have on board our ships, and then the creations that these chefs make are just spectacular.
Well, I'm looking forward to sailing again on a new vessel, and congratulations and onward and upward with Atlas Ocean Voyages. I'm Bill Panoff with James Rodriguez. Thanks for tuning in.